Hey guys, welcome to my video. In this evening, I want to talk a little bit about learning spoken English. What will help you if you learn spoken English a little bit in your life without taking a course, without learning from teacher. If you practice alone every single day 20 minutes or 15 minutes, that time must help in your life to go anywhere, to visit different country, but you have to be a dedicated person to learn education. Education is also an important thing in our life. It's a good medicine to push our life, to handle big problem, to solve conflict, a small quarrel in our community. If we have educated person, we have, you know, and we know how to solve problem by identifying what was happened in the problem. We know how to solve. If we don't learn education, we didn't know how to solve problem, how to write and how to read. We don't know good direction and bad direction, and that is why we have to learn education where we live and how we learn. We have to be connected with education. Yeah, I don't have time to learn education. How I learn, I'm not able. I don't know how to write. I don't know how to read. I don't know reading. I don't know talking. So it's not important for me. If you think it's okay, it doesn't matter. Your life gone, you're all gone. No need to learn education. But your future is come. Your future, your son, your daughter, your sibling and children. It's these are your future. These future make your life happy, make your life beauty. You have to talk them every day, to go to a school, to study at home, to write and read at home, to do homework at home, to learn words, to listen elder person words, to obey parents' word. It will help your son and daughter to be an educated person. Educated person make you motivated to go to school. Your children, they will motivate you, they will talk to you to be educated, your children, your son. That's why if you don't know how to learn education, you have to be connected with educated person. You have to talk with educated person to learn your son education. They will give you good direction to be good your son education. So that's all. See you with another video.